Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is PNY Trainings and my name is Michelle Fatima. We are here with another success story. We have with us Zikyas Ali Shah. Assalamu alaikum Zikyas.
Walaikum salam, Michelle. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing.
Can you please introduce us?
I'm Zikyas Ali Shah. I'm 18 and I study A levels while doing a job.
When did you first get interested in Python?
I always had an interest from a young age to fix and break things. Just now that Python is the higher level and I built websites, I just wanted to understand what I'm building.
How did you pursue Python alongside your studying?
Basically, I'm a CS major. In the future, even if I didn't do it now, I would have learned Python and I want to go into the AI field. So it was just an upgrade for me early on.
How did you connect with PNY?
PNY, I had a friend in the government sector. He was doing a government job and he told me about PNY, that it would soon become a government training center.
Okay. How was the staff when you came here?
I thought they would be strict, very strict, because most government sectors are strict, especially training centers.
Yes.
So they were very welcoming. That was a surprise to me. They were welcoming. I got to integrate way easier than I thought. The teachers, staff, and managing members were quite welcoming.
How was your instructor? Like, he was helpful, he was nice with you?
He was very nice, like extremely nice. Sir Bilal ki ek ye baat hai ki he never scolded me on any mistake. He always promoted me to make more mistakes. To be honest, मैं गलतियां बहुत करता हूँ. I'm a clumsy person. So he told me how to integrate my training into real life work, how to talk with clients, how to make deals and proposals. So it's easy to say that I am where I am because of him.
Okay, tell me about your course. Like, what is it?
I do full stack web development in PNY. So Python, React, Django, JavaScript, C++, and other main basic languages.
Were your parents supportive about this? Like,
I told them that I'm studying, it's for my school, my college, so they don't know that I'm actually applying for jobs with this, but they're very supportive. With me studying, with me learning new things, they're very supportive. Alhamdulillah.
Did you face any failure in between?
I faced many failures. I don't believe you can become successful without facing failures. One of those failures were that whilst I was building Mohammed Stage CRM, RBAC CRM, I accidentally made a malfunction in looping where I sent 300 mails in 10 minutes. The CEO called me in at 2 a.m. screaming that it's a big blunder. So fixing that while half asleep was quite tough, but it also made me experience how work life is. You can't go anywhere without failures.
It started earning from this. Like,
basically, it's a 6-month course, but I did when 3 months passed. I built Mohammed Stage CRM. I went there, I saw the CRM, so it was quite crap to say the least. It didn't work. I said I could build something better. We talked for a week and then I got the project.
So how did you balance your course with your schooling?
It was quite tough. I can't say it was easy, but PNY did make it easier. I think they make it easier for a lot of students, especially in CS, and they know that school is tough, A levels is tough, everything's quite hard to manage if they didn't put it on Saturday and Sunday. Because of this, I did my studies, my assignments quite easily, and PNY's assignments. So it was quite easy from them as well.
What was the most proud moment during this journey?
When I received recognition of getting my Mohammed State project, and then after that, my work visa agency project.
Can you tell us how much more?
Not exactly, but I'll give a rough estimate of 1.5.
So how's your life before this course and now?
Now, I can say I've taken more responsibilities, but I still have school, so I get my fun edge. And yeah, it's quite better, I would say, that at 18, I juggle my school life and work life. I've got an early entrance.
Like, how does it feel like a young one to achieve so much things?
Overwhelming. There's jealousy. There's a lot of jealousy, but you just have to ignore them and pursue your own goals.
How you handle things? You don't overwhelm. How you keep yourself under?
I get overwhelmed a lot. It's part of the job. As a CS student, you don't have much interactions, but during that you have your debates, your MUNs and everything. So that did help me keep my composure at somewhat level.
Do you want to say something for the people of your age?
I believe Gen Z overcomplicates things more than they need to. They're very adaptable, but they still overcomplicate things. So the more you complicate things, the harder it will get. I believe you just have to take your first step. That's it.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.